Hi guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how I made this hair. It's dreads, as you can see, and it's so cute. I used the Expression Reggae Max. I used 1.5 packs for the hair, and it's really full. Honestly, 1 pack would be enough, but I just wanted it to be extra, so I used 1.5 packs. And okay, so one thing I don't like about the hair is the fact that the hair sheds a lot. Like, it sheds a lot. Me just trying to pack it is shedding. And I've had this hair for a week and 2 days now, and I'm just filming the final look. I don't know how, but 1 pack of hair is enough, guys. 1 pack of hair is just enough. You don't need to use more than a pack. I just wanted it to be extra. The front parts are a lot smaller than the rest, and so I'm going to be showing you guys how I made the hair, so keep watching. Hi guys, so this is my hair braided, and this is what I'll be using to make the dreads. So this is me just making my braids. So this hair is really self-explanatory, so just watch, but I'll still explain, but just watch. Okay, so on this day I realized that I had to travel that morning, so I had to make my hair and finish up. So I had to wake up by 4:30, and I had to do some things, then make my hair. Now what I'm doing is splitting the hair into two. Not splitting it, but folding it into two, because it's really long. So folding it into two, then I'll put my hook into my braid, then put the dread on the crochet hook, pull it through my braids, then tie all 3 strands, that's the 2 strands from the dreads and my braid, my natural hair braid, to form a loop. Then I put the crochet hook through one part of the dreads so I can hide my hair. That's me pulling my hair through the dreads till everything is inside. I hope that makes sense, and I hope it's clear. Then afterwards I would roll it so that it's properly secured. So I'm just repeating it, just watch closely, you understand. Creating the loop, then I'll be putting my hair through the dreads to hide my hair, so my hair doesn't show. So I'm just hiding my hair in between the dread. Then roll it up. So guys, just watch. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share. see you guys in my next video. Thank you guys for watching. Do not forget to subscribe, comment, like, and share. Bye guys.